Is affiliate marketing way too competitive? How do you separate your affiliate product link from other competitors? How do you use blogging to promote your affiliate products? Maybe you've heard of affiliate marketing. But then think to yourself, nah, that's way too competitive. You're both right and wrong. Is affiliate marketing competitive? Yes. Does that mean you can't make money from affiliate marketing? No. Whether you're writing on Medium or blogging on WordPress, affiliate marketing is a major income source that you don't want to sleep on. If you're writing on Medium, then you're getting two revenue streams in one. One from Medium earnings, and the other from affiliate income. Ready to diversify your blogging income? Let's get into it. Myth: affiliate marketing competition is high. Competition is high when you promote products in an already saturated niche. If you fear competition, create your own market of buyers. All you really need is a targeted audience that has a use case to purchase your affiliate product. I even encourage you to get creative with your promotion of affiliate products. Don't just say buy my product. It first starts with noticing a problem within a niche, or having a better solution to an answer that's already given. For example, I noticed a trend that people on Medium were turning their blog articles into faceless YouTube videos. I would see all the how-to videos on how to do this, but it usually involved way too many steps that my lazy self did not want to do. You're telling me I have to write the article and spend 2+ hours creating a faceless video? Nope, too much work. So I went to the internet for a better solution than the ones that said create a video on Canva. I stumbled across Pictory. I used Tina discount code for 20% off, and knew that this would work well for me and my audience. I created this article, and the rest is history. The problem for my audience is that it took longer to create the video than to watch it. Find a product that creates an easy bridge to the solution you're looking for. In this case, create videos automatically from blog articles. Create tutorials on how to use the affiliate product, demonstrate why you needed a tool like this to begin with, and share your honest review. If you're wanting plug-and-play templates, I recommend these. Separating yourself from the competition. What if you're already in a saturated market? And it will take too much time to create your own market? You're in luck because you stumbled across this article. What's one thing that you can make different from everyone who is selling the same offer? Your offer. Hear me out, if everyone is selling the same thing, then it's worth it to you to differentiate the offer. Essentially, people like to get more than what they pay for. For example, if I gave you two options. 1. Buy product A. 2. Buy product A plus get this bonus. What would you pick? My case in point. You separate yourself from the competition by giving your audience more than what they would normally get from either the company or any other affiliate. Bonuses that work well with affiliate products are digital courses, ebooks, templates, printables, checklists, anything that can be easily delivered to your customer. If you're wanting plug-and-play templates that allow you to promote your affiliate products, then I recommend you purchase this course. Bonus: getting customers to purchase now. What if you're promoting a product that someone could get year-round? Laziness to buy later can be a real deal breaker with affiliate promotion. But do you know what they can't get year-round? Your bonuses. I recommend creating email urgency campaigns to purchase X affiliate product before X bonus is no longer available for free when you purchase X affiliate product. I recommend a tool like Mailtimer.io to help you out with this. In summary, I've shared with you that adding bonuses to your affiliate offer will separate yourself from your affiliate marketing competitors. I recommend you purchase this course to receive plug-and-play email templates to promote your affiliate products. Join our online entrepreneurs club below. https://links.collect.chat/61f06818191762 off 0334D. Check out our online entrepreneur resources, you don't want to miss out. Check out our Gumroad store for automation workflows, strategy, and much more. Bookmark this article, click that follow button and Mail Plus icon to get content about all things business, productivity, money, and self-improvement. Get a Medium membership to get access to amazing content by amazing writers. Affiliate links may be present in the article, and the author receives a commission if a purchase is made.